Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. We are on a trip, like little Einstein said. We're going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship. We are going to Tillamook Creamery, and we are going to some waterfalls I don't know how to pronounce.
I don't know how to pronounce them either. But yeah, we are going, oh my god. Yep, it's gonna take us like 4 hours, 3 hours, almost 4 hours to get there. But it's gonna be great. We got Starbucks. The Nike factory store is over here, so you can get shoes for like super cheap.
Should we go shopping?
Or cheaper. Yeah, we can go shopping.
Or do you want to come back?
Alright guys, so Brianna and I here. We're not lost, but we're on our way to the cheese factory, to Tillamook, and I don't know where Apple Maps is taking us. We're off the road, and we're just following this trail now. So if we die, it's Apple Maps' fault, right?
I don't know why you use Apple Maps. Google Maps all the fucking way.
Well, I like, I don't know, just the cohesion of the ecosystem. But yeah, we're just following this road, and hopefully it takes us somewhere cool, like the cheese factory, like the Tillamook factory. If not, then yeah, GG's. It's a bison burger. Ooh, what? That pizza has calamari?
It's fried onions.
Fried onions. All for $64.98. Classic, right?
Full steam. Jersey.
Oh, this is the one that I first started out with. Bit stubborn.
Jersey. Intelligent.
Same one. Oh, I think it's over again.
Dutch Velvet. I've seen cars like this.
So it does, so that's why.
That's why they have so many black and white cows.
Yeah, because it's so much amount of milk. You get no milk. corn? They give them corn?
It's not.
Oh, this is nice.
Let's rotate on the back. Look like this. $50 a day.
Cow? £10 of milk is equivalent to 1 pound of cheese.
That's crazy.
Oh. Protein whey.
I gotta clean a lot.
That's how they added culture to the milk.
Yeah. Are you gonna
Yeah, I was gonna
do it? Say it. Try it full of salt.
I ain't talking about these. These are salt. Oh my god, it's warm.
Oh,
It's very warm.
they are warm. That's a lot of salt. That's a lot of salt.
It's very. Oh my god, I just
You thought he was gonna fall asleep?
hug it.
I was like, why is that really cool?
Cheddar master. I don't want to go fast. It's fine. It's over. All of their wood spoons, they look really nice.
They're very cute.
Oh, shirts.
Oh, but this is what I wanted.
Little car ones, you put it on like a desk.
You can put it on the desk and put it in the little TV stand.
I like it.
That's bigger than this one already. Yes, we do.
I don't. We don't.
We don't?
We drink wine.
No, but we still need one for other people. But I think we have one. We have
Extra sharp cheddar.
huh?
That's very cute. Do they have cookies and cream?
Like shot glasses.
That's awesome. That's awesome. Oh, these are very cute. extra sharp cheddar.
Oh, I didn't mean that. I think it's good. Your mom and dad like it?
From the factory?
Scared to the baby.
You guys like your new toy? Out of your many, many toys that you guys have? There's so many toys. They're so cute, look at them. His new, they both,
There will never be enough.
right? They both got new haircuts. Oh, look at you, you look so cute. You're so, get it.